part 2 of fidget bag. So here's results from part 1. If you want to see part 1, you can go to my channel. It will be there. But this is part 2. These are the results from part 1 in this pocket bag. But let's get on with part 2. Go. Some squishies. Bug the Pug, we named him from Boss Baby. Some sWorDs. Pop tubes. A dinosaur. Poppet bracelet, poppet ball, all the poppets. Ice cream slime. Puzzles. Rubik's Cube that is broken. Simple Dwimples. Wacky Track and a snake. Snapper. A marble mesh. The soccer ball. Evan, if you're watching, I'm sorry it's not green. I did have a green one with blue, but we broke it. It broke in half. Soccer ball representing Evan from 3rd grade. Magnets. And that is it for today. If I find any more, I will try to make a part 3. But that is it for right now. Wait, I found one more big puppet that my friend actually gave me. So shout out to Kendall. If you want to see her channel, she doesn't have a big channel. It's like a few videos, but it is called Danae A Bear. It's like a puppet game. She let me have it for a little bit. So she's a really cool kid. Like one of my BFFs. And that is going to be it for the video. These are my 2 poppet bags. If you want me to, well, not poppet bags, fidget bags. If you want me to do a video, another one, you can comment or or subscribe, whatever you want. If you can, if you want to, you don't have to. And these are my things. So, bye guys. Bye my attack helicopters. I'm going to call you both at whatever time. So. Bye.